you all for this wonderful workshop entitled as How to Develop a Good Development DP program, the diploma program. This will give you 2 minutes of introduction to how you will be engaging. And after my instructions, you will be engaging literally for 15 minutes and interacting yourself among the group. I'll be creating 4 groups because there are 20 members. I will see that in each group around 4-5 members are there. Then I'll be, after 15 minutes of introduction, I'll be giving literally each group a 15 minutes of duration, around 15 minutes into 4 groups, 60 minutes of presentation by yourself that what that diploma program is. By that time, I'm sure that with the collaboration, you all will be knowing a lot. In fact, collaboration makes a better place where you learn a lot and faster. After that, whatever is not covered will be covered by me after that duration, that is means post-lunch session. That is, so before lunch, this is what is going to happen. For that, now immediately I must create a group by asking you to count the number 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4. That means all the ones will be in group 1, all the 2s will be in group 2, all the 3s, and so on, all the 4 will be in group 4. Then you introduce yourself. Each one takes some information from the opposite candidate within your group and see that each one makes a point, and then don't repeat the points of the DP information within the same group. Of course, there may be some information may be repeated across a group, but that you can ignore it. And then when you present 15 minutes and all the 4 groups, you will know that by the end of the collaboration, 50% of the information is known to you. Then whatever is not covered by you will be covered by me. Thank you.